The staircase, which used to lead up to the Second Cup coffee shop, was an iconic communal stoop. In the 1990s, the Steps was the nerve center of all things community, chatting, gossip, flirting, business and hustle. When City Councillor Kyle Ray needed to convince Mayor Mel Lasterman to walk in the Pride Parade, he thought what better way than to introduce Mel to the community and the Stepsisters.
So there was a group of people who would start lobbying Mel. You know, it's coming up in June, you're going to have to decide whether or not you're going to go. And then he started asking all these developers who would come in to see him, like the Reichmans, very Orthodox Jews, and say, so what do I do? Should I go to Pride? And he was really having a dilemma with it. He was a businessman, so to get him to understand there's a community, there's a business community here that works and thrives with the queer community in the neighborhood, I thought that might be an entree. So we ended up at Second Cup. We sat on the steps and I just chatted with them, saying this is a community that's worked really hard for identity, equality rights, and you're now the mayor. You need to represent, this is a really vibrant part of the city. We had fun doing it. You know, people were thrilled to see him. People were very welcoming. I think maybe a month later was Pride. So he had decided to come, and he had all these business people to protect him, like to give him the energy to be able to last through this. So we put him on a truck. So he was really thrilled to be on this fire truck. And then this other truck came up beside him, and it was a truck for the Toronto Bears. And they all had their shirts off and they had leather, you know, it was hilarious.
Indeed, the Steps were so iconic, the Kids in the Hall comedy series parodied them.
Well, I've learned something. I've learned that issues make people angry.
Yeah. Let's go to the baths. I admit it, I'm horny. Okay, come on.